Hello everybody, ILIVEPLAYSTATION here, back again. I got a Walkman unboxing yet again for you guys. The WM-3 Sony Walkman. This is a Japanese model. Well, the box is Japanese and the player is different. I pieced this one together. I got it off of the seller that had this box for sale. Had a Walkman listed, but I didn't get that Walkman off of him. This is from another seller. So the serial number on the box doesn't match the player, but I don't care. Here's the box. It's gold. It's shiny. It's like embossed. You can feel it. It kind of like lifts up the Walkman logo. It's very nice. Sony Walkman WM-3 Deluxe. There are two versions of this Walkman. The one I have that goes this way, and there's another version that goes sideways. And the Walkman's here with the headphones, and then like the other stuff is on this side. I'll put pictures up on screen. I was going to go and buy another box to show you, but like there's no point like spending the money, so fuck it, here's some pictures. Alright, inside the box we got some lovely stuff from Sony, just reminding you how much you paid for your Walkman to rub it in your face on a nice classy piece of cardboard. Always good. The booklet. Where else? Okay, here's the manual. This is the invaluable information, probably like the international warranty. This is the Ichi-Nenkon warranty, Sony Walkman 1-year warranty, WM-3. Yeah, pretty sure call that store. Ones are still open. Okay, just the Walkman. This is just the instruction booklet. I don't have these headphones. I put my MDR 3L2s in there. These look like, I don't know, I forgot what model number they are. They look like the ones that go with the WM2, but a black version and without the button. That's probably where they got the design idea for these. They do look very similar. So right here you have the battery holder thingy. You know, the external battery pack. So you can run it on some C batteries. Right here is the strap, neck strap, the headphone cord. This is where the headphones would go. I do my MDR 3L2s. And right here is the Walkman in the case. It does work, like I said in previous videos. This has the original factory fucking belts. For some reason when I hit the stop button I have to hold it this way. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, I do use this, but very, very rarely, because a certain amount of usages you could start to tell that the belts are just going. And I use it for a couple times a day. I put it away for about a week or two and let the belts kind of re-stiffen, and then I use it again until I get it repaired. Because it's beautiful. It's not as beautiful as the TPSL2, but it's beautiful. Yeah. Let's just take a quicker look at the Walkman. I'll show you the serial number and all that jibber jabber. Okay, so right here I have my Panasonic batteries from the Dollar, was it Family Dollar? Dollar Tree, whatever. Pop these out. Doing it one-handed is not easy. I can't even see that. The fuck. 106,784. Yeah. So this is a pretty up there model. This isn't really that early. This is like at the end of the line probably. But it works. It's clean. Beautiful, beautiful player. I love the gold. I would like to get the EX model. That's the white and gold version. That's a fucking bitch to find. If I ever found one of those at a flea market, oh my god, it's like hitting the lottery. It's like finding a Budokan complete in box with the headphones for like $50. You can't beat that. Like fuck the WM6. Finding a Budokan for $50. That's like the holy grail of Walkmans right there, next to the EX. But yeah, some paperwork. You know, an expired warranty from the 1980s, international warranty, and a sarcastic piece of paper from Sony. And that's your lot. Like, favorite, comment, subscribe to the PlayStation Alliance if you haven't done so already. Yeah, and if anybody wants to sell me a pair of MDR5A headphones, I will buy them. Hit me up, private message me on YouTube or Facebook, and we can work something out. I'll be more than willing to buy them off you, but I do want, as of right now, only the MDR5As, not the 7s, the 5s, you know. But if you have 7s and I can't find the 5s, you can work something out. I'll think about it. But yeah, just get back to me, please, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.